Ford may have given the current Explorer a mid-cycle facelift in late 2014 for the 2016 Mai, but they're not quite ready for its replacement, contrary to recent rumors. At this week's New York Auto Show, the Blue Oval will debut a very lightly updated 2018 Explorer with some mild styling tweaks, new colors and packages, and improved technology features. You'll have to closely compare it to the outgoing 2017 Mai to notice any exterior differences, but they're there and include a new grille and fog lamps, different details on the front and rear bumper, and quad pipes for the 3.5L EcoBoost models. Ford also added 4 new exterior color choices named Burgundy Velvet Tinted Clear Coat, Cinnamon Glaze, Platinum Dune Tree Coat and Blue Metallic, and 5 new wheel designs as well. More interesting things take place inside, where the Detroit carmaker added an available 4G embedded modem with a Wi-Fi hotspot that supports as many as 10 devices at once, up to 50 feet away from the vehicle. This same connection allows users to pair with the Explorer remotely using Ford Pass to start, lock, unlock and locate their vehicle from almost anywhere. The 2018 Ford Explorer will reach US and Canadian dealerships in the fall, with pricing to be announced. A brand new generation of the Explorer is currently under development.